All right, we're back. Having problems with my audio here. All right, it is March 14th, Sunday. Going over some of these stocks. If that wasn't recorded before, Space, 29% institutional ownership, 7.96 billion market cap. Reiterated by BOF Securities buy 35 to 50. Yes, the aerospace company. Yeah, it just said this had to move. The 40 came back down to 10, sideways chop to 15. It went over up to 35, 25. You can see here, though, the broadening wedge, the low on this side. Well, actually, this was the high, keeps getting higher, and the low keeps getting higher. So both of them are moving higher. High and low are moving higher. This came all the way back to this trend line. This was the big drop for a lot of stocks. Went to 23.94. Now we're trying to get over this 35 level. Still oversold. Yeah, good volume coming in. Yeah, I would look for this level right here. This has to get over 35. Once we get over 35, excuse me. You have this little gap here, 40. I can easily see 45 plus on this. That's what I'm looking for. And the lows right here is pretty much this 25 level. If this comes back, it might retest and bounce around and go back up. Look for that. But once you have a big broadening move up and then back down, you have the chance you're going to go back to the high eventually. It can take weeks, maybe a month. There's Soxel. This is semiconductor bulls. Semiconductor three times levered. All right, so looking at this, ever since March, April, this came down back and forth, back and forth. Went to the 15 level, 20, kept moving up to 30, and then look at this. This one is, well, did a reverse split right here. This one is high as 47.86. It came back down, reverse split, really chopping around now. Now this one is low as 27.50, and right here you can see still oversold. Now this is trying to come up. You can draw maybe like a trend line right here. It's got to break this. Pretty much got to break, above 35 at this point. Once this breaks above 35, we can probably get back to the top. See all these dips right here, September, October, November, right here, December, another one, January. So, they have a trend line going right here too. See this line right here? They can draw one like this, maybe. I mean, this is a better trend line. This is, trying to get over this though. See, this the high keeps getting lower. So watch where we can get over 35 if you play this and then work your way back up. The space here is pretty wide, but you are oversold. So watch on that. Excuse me. BVFM, 78 million float, 40% institutional ownership, 238 million market cap. Biopharma develops, commercializes various products to address unmet in women's sexual reproductive health. Yeah, this had the big drop from 475, bounced 350, dropped again to 2. Then you could draw like a line right here. It got over this 225 line, pull back 275, all the way up to high of 553. And we pull back, big gap, and then I think I might even call this before. I said we're going to bounce up from that gap, and it did. Look at this, nice gap up. I said this would be a nice move up. And you can see it right here. Now you're touching this 13 EMA. We'll see what happens. Oversold still. I think we can get to this 350 line. We'll see what happens. I had trouble before. It did break through here. So watch for that 350 line. And you can see the bottom here. I don't know if we're going back down there again, but this is a very wild stock. So it has multiple bottoms here. So that's support, though. At least you know that if you're playing this on this 2 line. And then we'll see here what happens in this. But I think we're getting back up here. And, gaps will be filled most of the time within a certain amount of time. So we'll see what happens with this. Yeah, and this one you're playing is to watch this like 250 level. Could drop right back or even do one of these moves again. It's pretty much very volatile at this time. All right, so that's it. Space looking good long. Soxel still looking good long. It's kind of in between now. Hasn't made its move up yet. EVFM's more spec right now. You have to be real careful with that stuff. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Game and Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Anything else? Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Game and Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank. Peace.